Hey guys, this is Robert Bogino with We Buy Houses Marietta. Today, obviously, we are in Marietta, Georgia. We are taking a look at this house that we're possibly going to pick up. I think we're going to buy it. We're going to make an offer here. And you can tell kind of by the picture a little bit, it's pretty distressed. A lot of that siding is damaged, which is really expensive to take care of, and I don't think the owners want to go through all the trouble. We're going to be able to take this house for cash, as is, no repairs at all. We'll still be able to close in 2 weeks as always, even with COVID going on. Our attorneys work overtime on this stuff. Um, this is the kind of thing where these people will not be able to sell it to the retail market. When they sell it to us, they're going to save on all their closing fees, all their realtor fees, all their closing costs, all that we take care of. So there's no hidden fees. They're just going to get cash in their pocket. We're going to help them find a place to live. So remember, whatever problems you have, we will solve them.